Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discoverer Boss here with another exclusive. So you already seen your title, but the building you're looking at is Belmont 1. It's on 1 Belmont Road. I always try to give a final look of any project I've been covering. So this one is basically finished. I think they're doing interior work, cosmetic work, but it's basically finished. So we're gonna take some shots of it today, get some aerial shots, some drone shots, just so you guys can see the finished project, especially for the outside. So stay tuned for that. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to subscribe as well. Subscribing is completely free. That's the easiest and cheapest way to support the channel. So Belmont 1, stay tuned. Just a quick video because not much to see except basically the exterior of the building. So stay tuned while we get this updated video for you guys. And again, leave your comment in terms of design. Leave your comments. So it's a $3.7 billion investment by Sygnus Group. It's typically 9 floors, 4 for parking. So parking is adequate in a New Kingston because this is the New Kingston area. There's always a cry for inadequate parking, but this have 4 levels of parking, can hold up to 300 cars. Even though tenants are not in as yet, it's fully tenanted. So it's fully occupied. They're just waiting for all the finishes and then they can move in. So nice building. They refer to it as a Class A building, meaning very modern, very new, all the amenities you'd need, adequate parking, great design. So yeah, this is one of the nicer commercial buildings in Kingston. That is not a call center, because most of the newer buildings too are designed for call center space, not necessarily multiple clients and offices. So stay tuned for the drone shots. And the name, I guess the name could have been interchangeable. It's really 1 Belmont. Sometimes I say Belmont 1, but it's 1 Belmont, so that's the official name. And as usual guys, thanks for your support.